Hello, my name is Becky Jensen, and I'm going to go over problem 6 from the quiz access. It says Lopez Company reported the following current year data for its only product. The company uses a periodic inventory system, and its ending inventory consists of 585 units, 195 from each of the last 3 purchases. So what we need to do is determine the cost assigned to the ending inventory and to the cost of goods sold for the following different types. So we're going to work on specific identification first, and to solve this we have to take the cost of the actual units that we have left. So we have 195 from each of the last 3 purchases, and so we're going to multiply those, and you'll see that we multiply 195 times $6.30, and we get 1,288.50. And then we multiply 195 again times 850. We get 1,657 times 0.50. And then we get, we do the last one, $8.60 times 195. We get 1,677. So then we add those together and we get that sum. That sum is our ending inventory of 4,563. And then all you have to do is subtract that total from that total purchase cost of $29,917 from our answer of $4,563, and then you'll get your answer for the cost of goods. You'll see it right there, $25,354. All right, weighted average. Okay, we're going to solve this for a periodic inventory as it's mentioned up above. We need to add up the total number of units available for sale and the total cost of all the units available for sale during the period. Luckily for us, it's already been done right up here, so that's nice. So then we're going to divide 29,917 from 4,045, and so when I did that, I got a big old string of numbers. I got 7.3960445. Okay, so I made several mistakes when I was doing this problem, and I found that if I don't round yet, then I end up with the right answer. So I'm going to multiply that times the units that I have left. So I multiplied it times 585, and then I get 4,326.68603. So now I'm ready to round. So then I rounded it to $4,326.69. And that gives us our ending inventory. So that's a mistake that I had made. I got it wrong over and over again, finally figured it out. And then just take that number, subtract it from the 29,917, and then you'll get 25,590.31. So I found that if I add those two numbers together, then I end up being able to kind of back check. So hopefully I got the right answer finally. Hopefully it ends up equaling what it should. So there you go. That's how you do that one. So then we'll go on to FIFO. FIFO stands for first in, first out, and it means that we value the inventory as if the first units we bought are the ones that we're going to sell first. So the 585 units that are left, those are going to be valued at the price of the last purchase that we made. So we multiply 585 times $8.60. So we do a little bit different than we've done on some of the other problems, but we end up getting the ending inventory of 5,031, and then subtract that from the total of 29,917, and then you'll get the cost of goods sold, and your answer should be 24,886. All right, going on to the LIFO, and that stands for last in, first out, and so it's kind of the opposite of FIFO. The units we have in the ending inventory are going to be valued at the price of the first purchase, and since there's only 295 units in the first purchase, we're going to use some of the units from the second. So what you need to do is multiply 295 times $5.80, but that's already been done for you. So you get 1,711. And then you take the second purchase on March 17th or 7th. You're going to take that 630 you're going to subtract it from 585 so that you know what you have left. So if that's 290, multiply that times $7 and you get 2,030. You're going to add those two numbers together, the sum of those two numbers, and you get 3,741, and then that's your ending inventory. Then you're going to take the 29,917 and subtract that from the ending inventory to get your costs of goods sold. So that's how you do those. So, whew, it started out seeming like it was going to be easy, and then I kind of struggled. All right, so then which method yields the highest net income? And it's the FIFO, and that is because you're using the cost of the oldest units, and those were generally the least expensive ones, so of your inventory, and so that gives you a higher net income because of that. So that's how you do those. So hopefully you didn't struggle as much as I did on them, but that's it. Thanks.